Namaste children, I welcome you all in my math session. Today we are going to study about checking subtraction through addition. Our today's topic is subtraction, check your answer. Let us take a subtraction problem. Here it is 5226 and the other digit is number is 1672. What is the difference between these two numbers? First, perform the subtraction for this. What we have to do for that? Arrange the numbers according to their place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Then arrange the numbers 5226 and the next number 1672. Give the symbol of subtraction or minus. The result we get, for that we have to subtract here. When we subtract 2 from 6, we get 4. But we are not able to subtract 7 from 2. We have to take borrow. Here we take 10 as a borrow and here it comes 1. When we add 10 plus 2, it is 12, and now we have to subtract 7 from 12. When we subtract 7 from 12, we get 5. Next, here we have number 1, and again it is not possible for us to subtract 6 from 1. Again what we have to do? We have to take borrow from 5, and here 5 becomes 4. 10 plus 1, 11. Now, when we subtract 6 from 11, we again get 5. Now, we have to subtract 1 from 4. We get 3. So, our difference is 3554. But how do you know? How will you make sure that the result is correct or not? For that, we have a way. We can check our answer through addition. Before doing that, what we have to do? We have to understand 3 terms which comes under subtraction. The larger number from which smaller number is subtracted is called minuend. Okay, the larger number from which smaller number is subtracted is called minuend. वैसा नंबर जो कि बड़ा होता है, जिससे कि हम छोटे वाले नंबर को घटाते हैं, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? minuend. Next, the smaller number which is subtracted is called subtrahend. वह छोटा नंबर जिसको कि घटाया जाता है, उसे क्या कहते हैं हम? subtrahend. Now, here we get our 2 terms, minuend, subtrahend, and the last one is the result of a subtraction is called a difference. Subtract करके जो हमें result मिलता है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Difference कहते हैं. That means we have 3 terms related to our topic subtraction. First one is minuend, second one is subtrahend, and the third one is difference. minuend क्या होता है? वह बड़ा नंबर होता है जिससे कि हम छोटे नंबर को घटाते हैं. subtrahend क्या होता है? वह छोटा नंबर होता है जिसे कि हम घटाते हैं. एंड डिफरेंस क्या होता है? 2 नंबरों को घटाने के बाद जो हमें रिजल्ट मिलता है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? डिफरेंस. नाउ we use these terms for our checking of answer. See, I want to check that my answer 3554 is correct or not. For that, write here check. Now, write first subtrahend. Our subtrahend is 1672. Write here. Then, next is difference. Our difference is 3554. Then what we have to do? For checking subtraction, we have to do addition. When we add subtrahend and difference, we get minuend. Let's check. Here we write subtrahend and here we write difference. When we add these two numbers, we get 4 plus 2, 6. 7 plus 5. What we get? 12. We write here 2 and 1 goes in our hand. 6, 1, 7. 7 and 5 again 12. 2 right here and 1 goes in our hand. 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. The sum we get from these two numbers is 5226. Here our minuend is also 5226. That means our subtraction is absolutely correct. Now check our second. Let's do our second subtraction. 4128. We have to subtract 1947 from that number. Now start your subtraction. When we subtract 7 from 8, we get 1. And here we are not able to subtract 4 from 2. So what we have to do? We have to take borrow. Here we take borrow and 1 becomes 0. When we add 2 in 10, we get 12. And after that, what we have to do? We have to subtract 4 from 12. When we subtract 4 from 12, we get 8. Here again 9. We cannot subtract from 0. So what we have to do again? Again we have to take borrow. Here 4 becomes 3 and 10. 10 plus 0, 10 we have. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract 9 from 10. When we subtract 9 from 10, we get 1. And here at last, when we subtract 1 from 3, we get 2. Our obtained difference is 2181. So what's our next step? Let's check our answer. For checking our answer, what we have to do? Let's first check. For that, you have to take your subtrahend. Here where we have 1947 as subtrahend. Right here 1947. And next, what we have to write here? Difference 2181. And what the next process? We will check our subtraction from addition. So we have to write here our symbol of addition. When we add 7 plus 1, we get 8. And when we add 8 plus 4, we get 12. Here we write 2, 1 goes in our hand. 9, 1, 10, 1, 11. Again 1 goes in our hand. 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Here we get 4128 as a sum of 1947 and 2181. So here when we add subtrahend and difference, we get our minute. We get our minute. Our minute is 4128 and here we get 4128. That means our subtraction is correct. We can arrange it with the help of colors also. For example, our minute is in the color of orange in color, and our subtrahend is in green color. It is in green color. I think number is visible to you all. And last one is our difference. Here we take yellow color. See, orange color implies what? A minute. Okay. And green color implies a subtrahend. Okay. And yellow color implies a difference. Through color, I think you are able to understand what I am doing. Now, we do some more example. We take some more examples. When we solve that examples, we are able to understand it more clearly. Let's take our third example. We have a number 8753 and here the next number is 2632. The next process, what we have to do? We have to do subtraction here. When we subtract 2 from 3, we get 1. And when we subtract 3 from 5, we get 2. When we subtract 6 from 7, we get 1. And when we subtract 2 from 8, we get 6. Now, what we have to do next? We have to check our answer. For checking our answer, what we have to do? First, write your subtrahend. What is our subtrahend? 2632. And what is our difference? 6121. And by which method we can check our subtraction? By doing addition. Now, what we get here? Just add it. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 6 plus 1, 7, 6 plus 2, 8. We get 8753 as a sum of 2632 and 6121. So, our minutes come 8753. So, it shows that our subtraction is correct. Now, let's take our next question. Fourth example. 5377 and we have to subtract 2263 from 5377. Let's do our subtraction. When we subtract 3 from 7, we get 4. And when we subtract 6 from 7, we get 1. Again, when we subtract 2 from 3, we get 1. And last, we have to subtract 2 from 5. We get 3. So, the difference between 5377 and 2263 is 3114. For check our answer, what we have to do again? Again, we have to arrange these numbers in column and then add it. What is our subtrahend? 2263. And what is our difference? 3114. And next what we have to do here? We have to do addition here. See, we write these things like this. अगेन जो हमारा आंसर आना चाहिए वो क्या आना चाहिए? मिन्यून्ड के फॉर्म में आना चाहिए. When we add 3 and 4 we get 7, and when we add 6 plus 1 again we get 7. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5. Here we get 5377, जो कि आपके क्वेश्चन के मिन्यून से मैच कर रहा है. दैट मीन्स आपका सब्ट्रैक्शन बिल्कुल सही है. Our next example is 5128, and we have to subtract 1814 from 5128. When we subtract 4 from 8 we get 4. When we subtract 1 from 2 we get 1. And here we are not able to subtract 8 from 1. What we have to do? We have to take borrow. When we take borrow from 5, 5 becomes 4. And here we get 10 as a borrow. When we add 10 plus 1 we get 11. And now we have to subtract 8 from 11. What we get? 3. And here when we subtract 1 from 4 we get 3. So difference between these two numbers is 3314. Now what we have to do here? Now we have to check our answer. For checking our answer, what we have to do? We have to arrange subtrahend and difference in column. Check. What we have to write here? Check, because we are checking our answer. Write subtrahend 1814 and difference is 3314. Next we have to add these two numbers. 4 plus 4 we get 8. 1 plus 1 we get 2. 8 plus 3 11. 1 again goes in our hand. 3 1 4 1 5. Here we get 5128, which is minute. That means again our subtraction is absolutely correct. Last, check your last question. Here we have 2000 as a minute, 1812 as subtrahend, and we have to find the difference between these two numbers. When we subtract, see, we have to take borrow. Here it is also 0. Move to 100 place. Here it is also 0. Again we move to 1000 place. Here 2 becomes 1 and it gives 10. And 100 gives 10 to tens. So here 100 becomes 9. Again here 10, when tens give 10 to ones, here tens, at tens place we get 9. Now our subtraction is ready. When we subtract 2 from 10 we get 8. When we subtract 1 from 9 we get 8. And when we subtract 8 from 9 we get 1. And here when we subtract 1 from 1 we get 0. Now let's check our answer. For checking our answer, what we have to do? We have to do addition. For doing addition, which numbers we have to write here? First subtrahend, which is 1812, and the second one difference. The difference between these two numbers are 188. Be careful while writing numbers. Then give a symbol of addition here. Now do our addition. 8 plus 2 10. 0 1 goes in our hand. 8 1 9 9 1 10. Again 0 1 goes in our hand. 8 1 9 1 10. Again 1 goes in our hand. 1 plus 1, 2. Here we get 2000 as a sum of 1812 and 188. Okay, so what we get? We get minute 2000. So like this you can also check your subtraction. Is your subtraction is correct or not? Now your worksheet 4 of unit 3 is based on subtraction and check its answer. For the example, आपके बुक में क्वेश्चन दिया रहेगा like that. What you have to do? First, arrange the numbers in columns. मैंने भी यहाँ numbers को arrange किया है column में. First, you have to arrange the numbers in column in each question and subtract. आपको क्या करना है? पहले arrange करना है, उसके बाद आपको subtract करना है. Also, check your answer and you have to check your answer also. Now, your homework is, your today's homework is complete or do worksheet 4 as in your copy. Complete your worksheet 4 in your copy. Thank you, children.